Did you know that you're probably way more likable than you think? There's something called the liking gap that's messing with your head after every conversation you have. Here's what happens. You meet someone new, and afterwards you think it was awkward. You assume they didn't like you. But here's the crazy part. They're thinking the complete opposite about you. Researcher Erica Boothby found that people always underestimate how much others enjoy talking to them. While you're focused on your own anxiety and mistakes, the other person is focused outward and genuinely engaged with you. This affects everything. On dates, you think there's no chemistry while they're planning the second date. At networking events, you think you bombed while they're impressed. With friendships, you hesitate to reach out because you assume they don't want to hear from you. Your brain tricks you into thinking you're less likable than you actually are. The person you just talked to probably thinks you're great. Understanding this gap can completely transform how confident you feel in social situations.